Hello, this is Paula Crawford, Physical Education, Health, and Driver Education Department Chair. Today I'm going to share information about the department, courses, and facilities that will assist you and your student on your journey at HF. On the first slide, the HF transfer goals are outlined. There are 6, and on our transfer goals for the department, we've embedded many of those same concepts into our transfer goals. Number 1, foster appreciation for diversity by demonstrating inclusion, regardless of personal characteristics, by exhibiting responsible personal and social behavior that respects self and others in a global society. Number 2, effectively communicate for different purposes, varied audiences, and through a variety of activities. Number 3, work cohesively while exhibiting responsible personal and social behavior that respects self and others in diverse settings. Number 4, make healthful choices and decisions regarding diet, exercise, stress management, alcohol and drug use in a variety of situations throughout one's life. Number 5, think critically about information claims encountered at school and beyond by seeking clarity, accuracy, sound evidence, good reasoning, and lack of bias to develop a holistic attitude towards wellness and physical self. Number 6, apply decision-making skills related to the protection and promotion of individual, family, and community health. So what can you expect each year at HF? Well, your freshman year, you'll be taking a health class one semester and a physical education class the opposite semester. Your sophomore year, you'll be taking driver education classroom one semester and sophomore physical education the opposite semester. Junior and senior year, you will take 4 courses of your choice. Course offerings at the CP level are freshman PE, sophomore PE, beginning dance, intermediate dance, advanced dance, unified PE, team games and sports, individual and lifetime activities, HF HIIT or high intensity interval training, outdoor education, personal fitness, fitness and performance, life-saving, and lifeguarding. The honors level courses are fitness and performance, theoretical development, life-saving, lifeguarding, leaders in training, and senior leaders. Health education can be taken at the academic core, college prep, or honors level. Students are placed according to their English level. Intro to sports medicine can be taken as an honors elective. Driver education classroom is taken at the CP level and also can be taken as pass, no pass because it is one level class. Behind the wheel, driver education can also be taken pass, no pass. Students are randomly drawn through a lottery during the school year to receive behind the wheel instruction. We also offer summer sessions during the summer for students to take behind the wheel. Introduction to Sports Medicine class and Athletic Training Aids Club are outlined here. They provide hands-on and real-life experiences. There's competition opportunities and it is preparation for health and science career paths. Faculty and program highlights. We have 20 First Aid CPR AED certified teachers, 12 First Aid CPR AED instructors, 11 lifeguard certified teachers, 3 lifeguarding instructors, 1 certified athletic trainer, 1 7-time NSCA Strength of America Award winner, 1 AFA certified instructor. The facility highlights, we have state-of-the-art field house containing 4 regulation basketball courts, 4 volleyball courts, 16 badminton courts, batting and golf cages, indoor turf, 200-meter track, weight room, wrestling room, and a cardio room. Also a dance studio, an aerobic studio, 2 gymnasiums, a natatorium, 2 outdoor turf fields, 2 baseball fields, 2 softball fields, 2 soccer fields, field hockey field, 400-meter outdoor track, 12 tennis courts, an ice arena, and a biopond. So I want to show you a few photos of our physical education in motion. Our motto is intelligence skill can only function at the peak of their capacity when the body is healthy and strong. John F. Kennedy. So here's some examples of our PE swimming class and small group line dance creation. Our sophomores in weight training, and then they move to water games and fitness. They also do a variety of individual and team sports. Students at the sophomore level are also taught how to use the polar heart rate monitors. Individual lifetime activities, here's a few: badminton, and we also travel to Tinley Park Bowl to do bowling. We have archery, and then we golf at Coyote Run as well. So here's some indoor fitness activities that highlight some students in basketball, TRX training, rowing, on the track, doing rope activities, and weight training activities. So our facilities are much like a health club. Fitness and performance classes have state-of-the-art equipment and facilities to work out in. Personal fitness is a class in which the students learn yoga, Pilates, step aerobics, and kickboxing. And again, we have state-of-the-art facilities and equipment that is up to date and recent. Outdoor education practices survival skills and creating floatation devices. So one of the skills that they do is take their jeans and create a floatation device in the pool. So if they're ever out in the wild and they have a problem, they can save themselves if they fall in the water. The outdoor ed also takes a field trip to canoe trip to Kankakee River. And here's some highlights here with the safety equipment. We start by canoeing on the biopond and kayaking in the pool, and then we move to the field trip. Team sports, again, variety of activities, soccer, football, ultimate, highlighted here, and volleyball and basketball, along with many others. Our dance program is beginning dance, intermediate, and advanced dance. They learn jazz, tap, hip hop, and modern, and then they perform a dance show at the end of the year where they have choreographed the entire show. Dance also includes ballet. This is one of our students, and so we say, don't just fly, soar. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. If you need to contact me for additional information, please call me at 708-335-5340 or email me at pcrawford@hf233.org. Thank you.